Hey everyone, it's me, Jonas, and today we're gonna turn one of these logs into 2 poop stools. I use a poop stool. You should use a poop stool too. It will help your bowel movements. The question is, which log do I want to use? This one's a bit shorter, but it's got more girth. This one is longer. I think I'm just going to use this one. I would prefer if the poop stool was a bit wider. So what I need to do is essentially just chainsaw this log into some slices, and then I can start working with the wood. So let's get some safety gear on, get the chainsaw out, and slice this thing up. We currently just use a stool. It's not a poop stool, it's a stool. There's a difference. I want the poop stool to be tucked away under the toilet. That's probably the most important thing. This is a Neontech NS872i with a 24-inch bar and a ripping chain on it. Ripping chain means that the angle of the tooth is different and essentially helps you cut lengthwise instead of this way. It's a pretty powerful saw at like 70 something cc. Could be more powerful though. I actually have a mesh front for my helmet too. I wonder if I just grab that real quick. Here we go, attached and ready, just in case some chips fly off. Okay, what do I need? I need 2 tops. Then because the middle is split, I'll probably use that for the support on the back, and I need 2 sides for legs. So I need, cut the first piece off and then go 1 leg, 1 top, middle, 1 top, 1 leg. So 2 legs, 2 top, 5. I need 5. Let's go. I did start this earlier, so hopefully it'll just get going now. First pop. She's going. I'm just gonna wing it. It's the only way I know how. That first cut is not straight, that sucks, but I'm just gonna keep going, like I said, winging it. Just want to readjust that chain a little bit now that it's been running. I had sharpened this, but I need to probably get the depth gauge down a bit more. It's just not cutting the way it's supposed to. I've cut on so much of an angle, it's not even funny. That's why you need guides usually. It's hard though to use a guide with a little log like this. So I'm gonna go sharpen it and then I'll be back. Let's do it. I'm just sharpening down these points so that it's just under the gauge. Because at the moment, a lot of these are too tall still, and I think that's why it's not cutting as well as it should. As you can see, I just started going sideways as I went down. So I've kind of ruined this log. I could just cut more like this, but what I'm going to do is just use the other log. Maybe it was meant to be, you know? This can be firewood. I don't know, we'll see how we get on. I finished sharpening the depth. I sharpened the teeth the other day. Maybe I just didn't do a good job. Nah, I'm sure it's fine. We'll find out shortly. It's shorter, but there is more wood in this log. And this time, as long as the chain cuts properly, I'm gonna try and cut straight. Good luck me. 5 pieces I need, right? Yes. Okay, let's go. This should pop pretty much straight away now. Gripping, so I actually need to sharpen the chain. You can see the same thing is happening where the saw just wants to go sideways. And I don't really know if I can help that. I'm going to try cut at it from the other side before I go sharpen this. So I'll be back. Okay, I am back. I sharpened the saw for the second time. And now I'm going to try salvage as much as I can from this log. I can tell you, I like chainsaws and I like chainsawing, but I don't enjoy sharpening them. Maybe I should get an electric sharpener. I'm no Billy Bucking Ray, but chainsaws are cool. This is it's basically a Stihl clone, like a Stihl 038. It's just half the price and Chinese made. I've had only good times for, getting firewood with this saw. Probably, if you've got the money, get a Stihl. It's just sometimes it was hard to start. Sometimes it's real easy. It's a bit temperamental, but hey, if you don't have the money like me and just want a slightly cheaper saw, I think this was $400 US versus the close to 1,000 you'd spent for the Stihl model, so it was definitely cheaper. Let's see if we can make a nice cut this time. It should pop right away. It's not been long. So let's go. this is bad, but I can use that. I will plan that down. It's more that I've managed to get a decent slice out of it, sort of semi-straight. I just need to do that a couple more times. It's not going to be easy. I hate that. Look, there's some usable wood in here, but honestly, it's like, that's bad. This is firewood. This one, same thing, it's just so bad. I wonder if I can slice a bit off the side of that so I can get it through the planer. I am as mad as hell, and I'm not gonna take it anymore. Now, honestly, I know this looks rough. Check it out. That's rough. That's a chunky piece though. And I'm gonna be able to make a poop stool. Now it's 2 logs, 2 poop stools, I assume. I needed 5. I needed 5. What I'm going to do is just take the table saw and slice that bit off, and then Bob's your uncle. 4. Here's number 5. That's very thin at this end. So once that's planed, that's going to be even thinner. Maybe this can be some drawers, so really I need a 6th piece. This is actually okay too. I'm reluctant to take anything with the bark on. It's just always a pain in the ass. And this one's wonky. Okay, we'll just pack these 2 in there too. These outer edge pieces might be the bar that connects the feet. Okay, if you want to see how I turn this crap into some amazing poop stools, maybe subscribe, and that'll be in another video because I have chainsaw maintenance to do, and I doubt I'll get to the stools today. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.